From this learning exchange, I would like to bring lessons learned to my country. I'm working with managers in Latin America, and they know nothing about this part of the world. I knew nothing. This is my first time in Asia, and I'm very excited.
I am so interested in attending this ocean conference because why? This is very rare occasion where the people coming from different continents, from America, Africa, Asia, from Europe.
Hemos recibido mucha ayuda de los hermanos gestores de las áreas protegidas que están participando en este tan importante evento. Hemos visto algunas debilidades que tenemos en nuestra zona de santuario de mamíferos marinos en la República Dominicana, que podemos mejorar, que podemos ayudar a integrar a la gente, que podemos hacer que las comunidades se empoderen sobre estos temas.
This is a learning exchange, so there are a lot of methodologies that were used, and then with good results from other parts that we have learned. And then one of them is actually on the aspect of coral restoration. Maybe they are a bit different from us because maybe this is also that we have to learn from them.
Dans cette workshop, cette opportunité que nous voulons saisir, c'est d'abord les essences d'expérience, parce qu'effectivement, il y a beaucoup d'outils qui ont été développés pour le management des aires marines protégées. Et là, nous voulons au moins voir l'utilité et l'utilisation même de ces outils-là. Et nous, comment on pourra au moins les utiliser chez nous.
You know, we talked a lot in the network exchange about how to apply good governance to our networks. How can we make sure that we're really bringing in those goals of social inclusion and equity and transparency in our work? And how do we take our management to the next level?
We are coming at the right timing to learn from other regional networks what types of activities that they are doing, so that by this information exchanging and experiences sharing, we would really need to think deeper about how the NIAMPAN could carry out the future activities to really contribute to the member states' goals.
Ocean governance is important because governance is everything. Governance is people making decisions for the ocean, for the environment.
Ocean governance is important because we live in a rapidly changing environment, primarily due to climate change, but also to human activities that impact the ocean. And so one of the key efforts is to be more proactive. Can we anticipate? Can we predict some of these changes so that we can take some management actions now that would help to conserve and preserve our ocean resources? So it's really a governance effort that is based in science.
You can have all the technical information, the scientific information, but if you're not able to make decisions between managers, users like fishermen or tourist industry or other industries or communities, you won't manage an MPA or you won't make the good decisions for the ocean.
Through formal channels or informal channels, we could help facilitate the cooperation at the operational level among the MPA sites, among the individual managers, so that at the technical level, the knowledge could still flow among each other.
From there, we can have something, build something for the benefit, not only for us, not only for our organization, but also for the countries, and then the last, of course, for the people. Because we talk whatever people is for the human being.